Hello, my name is Tim Taylor, and thank you once again for joining us. Our thoughts and prayers go out to all those who are struggling with this pandemic event. We're going to get through this thing. Let's just all work together and get past this so we can get back to work. Okay, today we are going to talk about conveyor hand washes missing out on a lot of revenue. If you are operating a conveyor hand car wash, would you like to learn how to process 20 to 30% more cars an hour on those big days with less labor and cleaner wheels? Sure you would. Well, here we go. So, you can still be a hand wash because your customers see your team wiping down your car with wash mitts. You take away manual labor cleaning wheels, which sometimes takes as long as washing the car. By implementing our heated CTAs, which are chemical applicators, and our pivoting, spinning wheel blasters, you'll have consistently cleaner wheels without the labor. Our wheel cleaning system is more customer friendly by the customer witnessing no abrasion is used cleaning the wheels and visually see cleaning action on the wheel when the chemical is applied. So let's talk about something else. Let's talk about your competition. So in other words, I am the customer, and all of a sudden I learn that your competitor, down the road is using a technical advanced cleaning, machine that does a better job on the wheels. They put more cars through. They're keeping up with the technology. It's coming. So maybe you might want to think about that a little bit. I know if I'm the customer and I hear some stories like that, I might want to visit that other car wash just to see what they're all about. So why not beat them to the punch and get a system in line so you can process cars quicker and have a better looking wheel. But that's something to think about down the road. So hopefully this has a little interest to you somehow, and I hope to talk to you soon. And we have all the questions, bring them to us, and we'll be sure to help you. Thank you, and we're going to get on to a video here real quick just to show you what this thing, how it works.